Hello, my beautiful sister in ministry out there. It's Reverend Jocelyn, and I am excited. Why am I excited? Because we are launching a weekly challenge that is going to support you in taking just intentional steps forward, those small steps of faith forward that's going to help you to build that ministry, to build that business, to build that dream and vision that God has put on your heart. And we get to do it together. So, what's going to happen is starting next week, once a week, we're going to release a video that is all of 6 to 8 minutes long. Not long, but it's going to give you a micro devotional message, and it's going to challenge you to take one step forward as it relates to that vision that God has given you. And you want to do this in community. So here's a couple things that I want to encourage you to do. First, I want you to be sure that you subscribed and that you click that bell notification so you know that this new video dropped that week so you never miss it and you can stay on task with us week after week. Also, I want you to tell a girlfriend about this. Like, we do much better when we have someone who can hold us accountable, who we can study and do this work with. So think about a girlfriend of yours who is good about holding you accountable or who's like-minded in wanting to do something. Maybe she wants to write a book and you want to start a podcast and you can hold each other accountable for that task. Or maybe she also wants to start a nonprofit and you want to start a kingdom purpose-driven business. Who is like-minded, who can benefit from going through this with you and can also hold you accountable and pray with you as you go through the activities. Now, as a bonus, extra credit, if you will, I also have some resources available for you that will help you to dive deeper on the materials that I'm teaching. You can get those resources at sisterstartyourministry.com. I have a free digital kit that you can get that's going to help you with some tools to apply what you learn. But also I have my book available at sisterstartyourministry.com for sisters who are really serious about taking that next step. So be sure to subscribe. Be sure to add this to your preferred playlist, and let's build that vision that God put on your heart together. I'll see you next week, sister.